Tingnan nyo to, nakakadiri pero nakakasatisfy yung nakukuha sa ilong. Kung problem mo din ang blackheads, oily nose at visible pores, this is the Lantena Nose Plant Pore Strip. So while tinitignan natin yung laman ng box, pag-usapan natin yung product. So ang product na to ay nakakatulong for deep cleansing, sinisip-sip niya yung stubborn blackheads, oil control para maiwasang bumalik yung blackheads, at the same time may pore minimizing na rin siya for smoother skin after use. And sabi dito, gentle siya kahit sensitive skin at wala daw silang dinagdag na pigment at may plant extracts pa. So yung mga ingredients ito, no, may kasamang aloe vera para may hydration, for soothing effect at saka pang repair ng skin. May hyaluronic acid din ito para moisturize at calm yung pores at marami pang iba. So may kasama na rin itong brush at saka yung lalagyan niya is reusable din. Try na natin gamitin so makikita niyo yung nose, no, ang daming blackheads. After cleansing, i-apply lang yung mask sa ilong using the included brush. Then, lagay lang yung nose strip paper, tapos press gently para dumikit. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes hanggang sa matuyo, then peel time na. Rinse with water, then apply Lantena for minimizing essence and massage hanggang ma-absorb. Ang dami nakuha blackheads at accumulated dirt sa ilong. And here's the before and after. Mas malinis, less oily at mas smooth yung nose. Kaya marami ka ring blackheads, worth to try itong Lantena Nose Plant Pore Strip. Like, share, and subscribe for more skincare finds and honest reviews. Thank you for watching. Till my next video.